Welcome to this tutorial. How to create a hashtag. A well-used hashtag can help you to promote your product, business, or ideas in front of your target audience. If you create a unique hashtag, then you will engage users and connect with a brand. Let's see how to create a hashtag. What's the purpose of your hashtag? Do you want to use it for marketing, brand promoting purposes, or just want to communicate with a specific community? Brainstorm some ideas for the hashtag. Make a list of your hashtag ideas. A hashtag must be easy to read, short, and understandable. You can use your brand name in form of a hashtag. For example, your brand may be ABC Fruits. Then the hashtag will be hashtag ABC Fruits. You can also number in a hashtag for a specific reason, like hashtag ABC Fruits 2022 to promote your products in the year 2022. The downside of this hashtag is you cannot use the year-specific hashtag for a valid reason. Always check that your hashtag should be unique and not used by others on social media. A hashtag should not be confusing with multiple meanings. Try to write your hashtag in lowercase letters. You can promote your hashtag by requesting your friends and followers to use your hashtag. You can also use the same hashtag on different platforms of social media. You can display your hashtag in your physical store to promote it. Use an analytics tool like TweetReach to track your hashtag performance. Wasn't that helpful? Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to our channel.